They make their way round. Number 9, Billy Weaver, leading red top riders there. With 24, Corporate Dog, 299, Harley Burns, 599, that's Harley Henry. Young Harley Henry there, doing well. 252, Callum Sell, 842, Keaton Ivings, and number 2, Albert Webster, starting from the Superstar Slates there with his Goldwood and the Superstar Lights. Look at that, there's a great finish. Albert's car there now, and number 2. 6 to 10-year-olds these are, 6 to 10-year-olds. Start racing the 6-year-old, and believe it or not, Alfred Witherall, he is just turned 6. So he's had a great day of races themselves. So it's nice to see the third generation youngster coming through to join our sport. Good stuff. And as you can see, don't take long. Before you know it, back there with the red parade. Absolute flight, man. They're private cars out there. So that is where I'm very go. They'll wake up and smile on their face at the end of the evening. So 48-inch car in leading at the moment. So Mosaics machine here, 50cc, with engines in the batteries. We'll go on the side of 58, young Alfie over there, Alfie Witherall. So 299, Harley Burns, he's looking for a way through, isn't he? But he's got all the gold 24 to deal with very shortly. Second place, but he won that first heat earlier on.
Come on now, Ben.
And yeah, evenly matched. All those top red grade drivers really are, because they really don't much between them, not even now, after almost the whole race there. They're still tucked up together. They're back and white. 24 on the gold, that's broken up, so it's 299. So he's going to be 1 lap to go. So then they come to check the flag being made ready. This is going to be 24 and 299 is under alert, but Corbin Moore gets the win. Harley Burns second, Billy Weaver third.